Looks like you've switched sides again. Lizzie was so sure you changed.
None of us really change, do we? We are who we are. You can't stop being a Michelson, and I can't stop hating everything that you stand for.
Anyway, we could skip the monologue to the part where you tell me why Ken didn't show up for our fight.
He sent me in his place.
Then he clearly has no honor.
Darling, that's adorable, coming from the girl who planned to cheat by laying a trap for him. Oh, I can hear them all out there. The wolves. Very loud heartbeats. There's the Klaus in you. Strike first, feel later, ignoring your own hypocrisy. Whatever it takes to win, I suppose. Well, you're not the only one who can cheat.
What did you do to them?
It's nothing that I did. Go on. Go help your little friends.
You know my friends can handle themselves. My fight's here with you.
Fitch! You're turning.
Thanks for explaining that to me.
It's my father. He can control curses. He must have triggered all of your stuff. Sabotages. Where's Jed?
I don't know, but you have to get out of here. No!